Oh, hey, Retro Tech friends! I have some exciting news I want to share with you. I'll be attending the Vintage Computer Festival Midwest on September 10th and 11th in Elmhurst, Illinois. Yes, we are taking DRVL on the road. Do we get a tour bus? Maybe we get some roadies?
No, Dave.
What? At the Vintage Computer Festival Midwest, I will be demonstrating some of my favorite retro video gear, plus chatting with vintage video gear fans. Hey, maybe even bring some of your fun retro tech to share with me as well. But wait, there's more. If there is some Wi-Fi bandwidth still available, I will actually try to stream live from the event. That is so awesome, right? Once again, I will be in Elmhurst, Illinois, attending the Vintage Computer Festival Midwest on September 10th and 11th. I'll provide a link below with all the important information for you to check out. So take care, and I hope to see you soon.